Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to reset password of LinkedIn. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go ahead and go to linkedin.com over here, and this will be their homepage. And from here, just simply go ahead and click on forgot password over here. And now just simply provide your email address over here guys, and once you have done that, just simply click on next, and after that an email will be sent to you and you should be able to see a 6-digit code. So just simply go to your email. Now guys, the email will look something like this. So just simply go ahead and copy the code, and after that, just go to the link in again and paste it over here and click on submit. And after that, just simply provide your new password. And now just simply go ahead and retype it down below. And you will have this box as well that if you check this, all of the device that are signed in with your account will be logged out and they have to put in the new password that you have provided now. So now just simply click on submit, and after that, you should be able to change your password. And that's simply about it. And after that, you should be able to reset your password. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.